Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make a Spanish ice cream recipe, Leche Merengada. Ingredients: 500 milliliters of whole milk, 150 grams of caster sugar, 1 small cinnamon stick, 1 lemon peel without the white part, 2 egg whites. Method: in a saucepan, I'm gonna pour the whole milk, the lemon peel without the white part, and the cinnamon stick. I'm gonna turn on the heat. Whisk and leave it to simmer for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna turn off the heat, add half of the caster sugar, whisk well, put the lid on the saucepan and leave it to infuse until it's cold. I'm gonna pour the infused milk through the strainer and reserve. I'm gonna beat the egg whites until soft peaks. Add the other half part of the caster sugar and beat it until firm peaks. I'm gonna fold the egg whites very gently into the infused milk. Then I'm gonna transfer to an ice cream maker. And turn for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. And here is the Spanish ice cream Leche Merengada. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!